Hello, everyone. So today I'm going to be showing you this movement that you can do on this song. The Lord is good. I will lift him up higher. Anywhere I go, I will lift him up higher. So it's a flat 5 to your 7, 3, 6, 2, 5, 1 progression. But this will be doing it on the key of F sharp. If not subscribed, why? Oh yeah, Pico, subscribe. Please subscribe. Thank you. I'm going to be playing it. You see my left and my right. So, normal way of playing it is the Lord is good. The simple way is good. I will lift him up higher. Anywhere I go, I will lift him up higher. The Lord is good. I will lift him up higher. Anywhere I go, I will lift him up high. But now, using that movement, it will be the Lord is good. I will lift him up high. Anywhere I go to the 2, I will lift him up higher. The Lord is good. There's them. Anywhere I go, I will lift him up higher. So it's a flat 5. So it is on the first one I did was the Lord is good, which is your B flat chord. The Lord is good. I will. So the Lord is good. I will lift him. So the Lord is good. The Lord is good. I will lift him up higher. And to the 6, then to the 2. I will lift him up. See the on the 5. And then the Lord is good. I will lift him up. Anywhere I go. Woo! So that one is a flat 6 to a flat. So the Lord a flat 5, and the Lord is I will flat 5, 7, 3, 6. Everywhere I sharp 6, and I will lift him up. So let's do it together. The Lord is in the key of F now. The Lord is good. I will lift him up higher. Anywhere I go, I will lift him up higher. You do this this movement. The Lord is good. Flat. Woo! 3 and 6. I hope that helps. So very short in the key of, if I do the same in the key of F sharp, the Lord is good. I will lean. I will lift him up. The Lord is good. I will. So instead of anywhere I go, I will lift him. Yeah, it's simple, but the Lord is. I will live. I will. So the Lord is good. I will lift him up. Woo. See that chord? For the sharp 6. It's a substitution for the 2. The 2. So, but it's now. I will lift him up. Hallelujah. I hope that helps. I hope that helps you. Hallelujah. Woo. So if you've not subscribed, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and leave a comment below on what you want me to play, what songs you want me to do to show you how to spice it up, and some nice movements that you can do. So see you in the next class.